Oh.
Still have to look over.
That's that RKDB, man. I see my little pits right there. Then my little red noses right there, man. Then I got these brindle fawns, man. Them cryptic brindles. I got them albinos. I got them cryptic brindles. That's how we coming. Hey, stop, Fantasia. Fantasia, stop. Don't look at me like that. That's Fantasy. That's Fantasia. What, boy? That's Dodie. And that's Doughboy. Oh yeah, this is for, you know, the brothers out there, man, that say just because your dog's ears aren't cropped, that's not a bully. As y'all can see, this is one of my bully pit crosses, and he looks like that original American bully sauce. Now, I'll take you over here to my pits. These is pure pits right here. And you could definitely see, this is where the American bully gets his confirmation from. So for you naysayers out there that say, you're breeding pit bulls. Yeah, that's what the American bully consists of. It consists of terrier traits. This is where the American bully gets his drive from. Yeah, stuff added along the way as far as Mastiff, Bulldogs, whatever you think is out there. They didn't add it to these dogs. That's what cryptic brindle looks like. Cryptic brindles. Albinos.